the Audi S6 spins the reserved style of the midsize A6 sedan into something a little more feisty. The S6 may look understated, just a touch more aggressive, but that's certainly not how it performs. The S6 has a rich history with enthusiasts, including the envy of the European S6 wagon, a model that we don't get in the United States. But for 2016, the S6 gets a handful of visual and equipment updates, making it an even better version of the luxury sports sedan we've come to know and love. The S6 is a modern sedan with a uniform, elegant look, which is contrary to many premium sedans on the road. Inside, Audi's clean design and quality materials are front and center, with high-tech and elegant touches throughout. The cabin is luxurious, but we've found that in darker shades it can be somewhat cold. New appearance items for the 2016 Audi S6 include redesigned headlights, new bumpers, a revised single-frame grille with a somewhat more aggressive look, and quad-tip round exhaust outlets. Outside, the taillights are entirely new for 2016. In the S6, a redesigned head-up display and seat controls now have a better look and finish. Under the hood of the S6 you'll find the engine that transforms the A6 from fun and capable to sporty and serious. For the 2016 model year, the S6 gets an upgrade to its 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that results in power output of 450 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, a gain of 30 horsepower over the previous S6. A 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission is standard equipment, driving all four wheels with quattro all-wheel drive. Performance in the 2016 S6 is brisk, it'll sprint up to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Handling is good in the S6, although a little detached from the road, with a competent adaptive suspension that's able to control the car's heft while maintaining a comfortable ride. It won't make you an instant Formula One driver, but it will certainly make you, and any speed-loving passengers, smile. Throttle, transmission, and engine response can be customized in the S6 to further suit the driver's mood. Otherwise, the S6 is a very smart-looking A6, which means it's an excellent luxury sedan.